Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to access and use your Google Pixel Secure folder. This is a safe folder on your phone that you can put documents or photos into, and it requires a passcode or password in order to access those documents, keeping them safe and secure. It's really easy to set up, so let's go ahead and dive right into it and show you how it works. So to access the Save folder here on your Google Pixel phone, you'll need to find the Files app on your phone. I have a shortcut here on my home screen. If you don't have that, swipe up on your screen and you can go through all of your apps down to the letter F, and you should see the Files app right there. You can go ahead and load that up. That's going to take you to where you can sort through all the files on your phone. Now the secure folder is located under the collections area on your phone here. And you can see all I have right now is favorites, but there's three little dots over here on the right hand side. If I tap on that, it'll say show safe folder right there. And you'll see a little lock and it says safe folder right there. Now, if you did want to hide that, again, you can just tap on those three dots and hit hide safe folder. But we're going to go ahead and tap on safe folder, and then we can go ahead and start setting it up here. So it does require a pin or pattern in order for you to use it. So if we tap on pattern, we can select a pattern on the screen that we need to put in, or we can go ahead and hit pin and put in a pin to access this folder. I'll just set it up with 1111 for now, and we'll go ahead and hit next. And then we can do that pin again to confirm it. And we'll hit next. Now it does say, remember your PIN, safe folder can't be opened again if you forget your PIN. So you definitely don't want to forget that and lose any important documents. You can say, got it here, and it's going to create that safe folder for you or give you access to it. Now I'm going to head back out here and we'll show you how to move files or photos into the safe folder. So I'll start out with a PDF here. I have some in my downloaded folder, and they're just some floor plans here. So we'll move one of those over to the secure folder. So you just find the file on your phone that you're looking to move over. And over on the right-hand side here, you're gonna see three little dots. We'll go ahead and tap on that. A little menu is gonna come up here, and there should be an option that says move to safe folder. So you can go ahead and tap on that. And it's gonna ask us to put in our password or PIN. So again, I'll put that in. If you did a pattern, you'd have to swipe that in. We'll go ahead and hit next, and it's gonna move that document over to the secure folder. Let's do another one here, maybe with a photo. I've got one here of a deer I saw the other day out at a neighbor's house, so we'll tap on that. And on this one, it's up here in the top right-hand corner, three dots, I'll tap on that. And again, move to save folder is right there. It's gonna take that over as soon as we put in the password here, and move it over to the secure folder. So now let's go back out and go to our secure folder and make sure those are there. There we go. Both of those documents are in there, the photo and the floor plan. Now, if you did want to get rid of them, if you tap on the three dots here, you can delete it permanently, or you can move out of the safe folder, and it's going to move that photo or document back to where it came from. So now they are gone. And really it's that simple to set up and use your safe folder here on your Google Pixel phone.